Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to CommentWipe, just a quick demo that we're going to do. Um, so when you're on the screen, make sure you click on sign in with Google. Once you go into sign in with Google, it's going to ask you to log in. So put in your email. Then if you have a two-step authentication, make sure that you are able to accept the authentication. And then once you accept the authentication, you can just click on continue. And now you're on this screen where you can look up your comments. Sorry about the zoom, but so what we want to do is I'm actually going to enter a video ID of mine that I spammed myself. Let's see here. So once you put in the video ID, click on load comments, and you'll see these comments that show up. So I spammed myself. Sometimes you see these comments about tokens, so you can maybe enter one of the token words. Once you enter that, it's going to bring them up. Now, when you do that, make sure that you click on load comments so that it actually keeps that in the session, because if you don't, then it's going to end up deleting all the comments. So once you click on that, you want to click on once you click on load comments, you want to click on delete all displayed. It's going to ask you delete 3 comments. So you make sure that there are 3 comments that you're looking. Now, if you have more comments, you should have like 75. And again, I'm making adjustments so we can see how many comments are actually showing up. But for now, this is just a prototype. It's free to use, so don't worry. I'm going to be adding a lot more stuff to this. So you delete the 3 comments. You click OK. You're going to see that it's working. And then once it's done, then it says deleted 3 comments. You click OK. And then now those comments should be gone. So if you want to look at the rest of the comments, then you can see these things like the ones that say, you know, somebody trades the best and they say made money. So if I load these comments and I want to delete it, I can just delete all. Click OK. And then now I don't have any comments. So if I go to my channel, you'll see that all my comments are gone. So this is sort of version 1, that it works and it's free. So get it while it lasts, because once we make more updates, it will be a paid version. So right now you can delete up to 1,000 comments for free. And we do some back-end processing in the background, so you don't have to worry about rate limits. So yeah, hope you enjoy it.